Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Process Server 1. They're looking for a SEO specialist. It pays up to $35 per hour. Position overview. We are a fast-paced process serving and private investigations firm seeking an experienced SEO specialist. The successful candidate will have an excellent work ethic and a positive attitude. Must be able to work with minimal supervision and make independent, well thought out decisions. Must possess excellent oral and written communication skills. Requirements and responsibilities: 3+ years of SEO experience with knowledge of title and tags. Proficient in variety of analytic platforms to optimize tracking, search, and lead generation. Knowledge of web development technologies. Understands the latest trends and techniques relating to search engines. Ranking factors and principles for sound SEO design and user experience. Holds additional skills related to search engine optimization. Acts as a team player but capable of functioning in an independent manner with limited supervision. Strong time management skills. Job types: contract, full-time. Pay up to $35 per hour. Monday to Friday. Weekend availability. Experience: keyword research 2 years. Title and tags 2 years required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.